a few people requested to do a tutorial on the eye makeup I was wearing in my last 2 videos, and here I am. So to create this makeup look, I used my BH Cosmetics palettes. These are the Marble Collection, this is the Cool Stone, and this is the Worm Stone. So I don't want to sound negative or bad about them, but because they were sent to me to try out, so I don't want to sound very negative, but I don't like the formula. I don't know what's going on, BH Cosmetics. These are very powdery, patchy, and I got a lot of fallout. So I have more BH Cosmetics eyeshadows. I have the Carly Bible ones, and they blend to perfection. I don't get any fallout, and they are very pigmented. These are very pigmented as well, but they are patchy, they are very powdery, and I don't like the formula. These two blended very well, but they are very powdery. But this darker one, especially this one, it was a pain in the... So you'll see in the video that I struggled a lot to create this dark eyeshadow you see on my eyes. So I had to pack this with a flat brush and then blend very carefully around it. Ooh. And yeah, if I'm taking right now a brush and trying to blend that out, it will disappear. So this is the only eyeshadow that I didn't have any issues, and I used a fixing spray. My fixing spray, I use it wet. This is a shimmery eyeshadow and it's so beautiful. It's the only one I didn't have any issues. This is very patchy as well. It's identical to this one. It's very patchy and powdery, and the color is very beautiful because it's this white with this blue iridescent reflex, and it's very beautiful. I apply that in my inner corners. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. Maybe they changed the formula, maybe, I don't know. I don't want to sound very negative. These are my opinions. Let me know in the comments below if you have them, if they are as bad as mine, or maybe not. Maybe I got the bad ones. I don't know. So yeah, thank you so much for requesting this video. I really love how this makeup turned out. From far is very beautiful, but if you come a little bit closer, you see that the blue one is a little bit patchy, and I really love the colors. They are so beautiful together, and yeah, I hope you like it too. And also on my lips, I'm wearing this BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. This is in the color Marcia. So I think this makes my lips huge. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So yeah, this makeup tutorial is focused only on the eyes because my goal for this year is to make shorter videos, is to create shorter videos. I know all my videos are long AF, and bear with me, okay? So yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, this gorgeous purple makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start by priming my lids, and I'm using my Maybelline concealer, and to set that I'm using the RCMA No Color powder. So for my crease, I'm going to start with the Worm palette, and I'm using this pink nude eyeshadow, and you'll see that it's not very pigmented, but it's very buildable and also very powdery. Made the whole year in a week too. Main chick out of the league too. Side chick out of the league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. One of you at the table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces, and she clean it with her face, but you love your baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. They talking about you, you don't see the shade. And to give my crease just a little bit more definition, I'm going with this brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that just a little bit on my crease. Then I'm going with the Cool Stone palette, and I'm starting to build this dark purple eyeshadow, and I'm starting with a very little amount of product because I thought it was, I don't know, I thought it was different, but you'll see that when I'm trying to blend that out, it blends into nothing. So I had to build that color to look very dark and pigmented. And yeah, it was a struggle. It was a real struggle, that eyeshadow. And with this smaller blending brush, I'm using the first eyeshadow that I use on my crease to blend those edges. Next, I'm going to wet my brush with some fixing spray because I want to use this bright purple shimmery shade. Wet because I wanted to make it as vibrant and colorful as possible, and this is such a beautiful eyeshadow. It's the only one I didn't have any issues with, and is very buildable and very pigmented. Alright, so this is the moment when I almost dropped the towel and wanted to give up, because when I tried to blend those colors together, it was a mess. You can see here that the darker one is very patchy, and it was a very bad situation. I almost gave up, but I don't know how I managed to make it work, and I'm glad that I did it because I really love how this makeup turned out. I mean, the colors are very pretty. And yeah, to blend a little bit, just a little bit, those edges, I'm using the first eyeshadow I used on my crease. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm using this beautiful shimmery shade, and I think that's it. Off camera, I'm going to apply my falsies and I'm going to do my face makeup. And for my bottom lash, I'm going to use the exact same eyeshadows. I'm starting with the darker one, and then I'm going to blend that out with this pink nude eyeshadow. Don't forget about the mascara. And yeah, in my inner corners, I'm going to apply this white shimmery eyeshadow, and it has this blue reflex, and I think it's very pretty. And yeah, this makeup look is complete. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean so much to me. And if you have any request for my next video, please let me know in the comments below, because I listen to you guys, okay? I listen to you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. You're a pretty little star boy.